Software Spring. Presents. How to calculate amount for monthly average bank balance in Google Sheets. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to calculate the amount for maintaining a monthly average bank balance. I will open this sample spreadsheet titled, Calculate Amount for Monthly Average Bank Balance. I have already copied the date and balance columns. Because there are two transactions on the same day, I will keep only the last transaction. I will delete this row by right-clicking and selecting Delete Row. Now, we will calculate the number of days with the balance, using the days function. First, let's take a look at the days function format. This function calculates the days between the end date and the start date. Alright, I will enter the days function in this cell. Type the equal to symbol, and day. Select days from the menu. This is the end date. And, this is the start date. Press enter. There you go. The days function has returned the number of days. Click this cell. Drag this handle to other cells to copy the days function. This data is incorrect, because there is no end date. Here is the solution. I will delete this data, and instead, type 3, which are the days remaining in the month. Press enter. OK, now we will calculate the total amount. The total amount is this data, multiplied by this data. I will type the formula in this cell. Press enter. Let's copy the formula to these cells. OK, now we will calculate the grand total of the numbers in this range. Type equal to, and select sum from the menu. Press enter. Right, we are all set to calculate the present monthly average balance. I will type the formula, grand total, divided by number of days of the month, in this cell. Press enter. There you go. This is the present monthly average balance. Let's assume that Rs 5,000 is the required monthly average balance. Because the monthly average balance is less than the required balance, we need to calculate the minimum amount to be maintained, for the given minimum days. For example, I will type 3, as the number of days, in this cell. What should be the minimum amount you should have in account, for 3 days, for Rs 5,000, as monthly average balance? Here is the formula. To multiply this data, by the number of days in the month, then subtract it from the grand total. And, lastly, divide by the minimum number of days. Here is the formula, in terms of cell address. I will type the formula here. Press enter. Alright, you need to maintain Rs 19,742 and Ps 884 for 3 days to meet the monthly average balance requirement. You can change the required monthly average balance and/or the minimum days and instantly get the amount you need to maintain. For example, I will change this amount to 10,000. Press enter. There you go. This is the minimum amount you need to maintain for 3 days. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.